Hello, Barry Anderson from Trade Ideas with today's edition of What Makes This Trade Great. Kind of an interesting one, guys. This is PAFO. Now, this is a SPAC. If you know what a SPAC is, just look, or you don't know what it is, look it up. SPAC, that's the acronym. So they've agreed with the merger today with a company called Carousel, I think. I think the symbol is going to be CACO. I don't have a date when it's supposed to start trading as CACO, but what I thought was really interesting is that number one, of course, it won lots and lots of races today. It won 11 races today. Look how it hugged the VWAP. That purple line right there is the VWAP. It kept bouncing into it, bouncing off, bouncing in. If I can find out when it's going to start trading as CACO, I might take like maybe 50 or 100 shares of this and hold it the day before and see what happens, because sometimes these things can go crazy. So keep an eye on it, PAFO, but it should start trading as CACO any day now. All right, everybody, I want to get back into the room, so see you tomorrow.